Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important benefits or advantages of e-business. E-business makes possible working round the clock and around the world. It enables companies to be more efficient and flexible in their internal operations, to work more closely with their suppliers, and to be more responsive to the needs and expectations of their customers. It allows companies to select the best suppliers regardless of their geographical location and to sell to a global market. It also offers business concerns more cost efficient and time efficient means of working with customers, suppliers, and development partners. E-business offers several opportunities to suppliers and benefits to customers. The important benefits of e-business are: first one, all-time processing. Second one, better service. Then removing mediators, time saving, enhanced speed and accuracy of a product, cost saving of the product, reduces paperwork, fast dissipation of information, global reach. First point is all-time processing. Much of the buying and selling involves exchange of information. On the internet, information can be exchanged at the click of a mouse. E-business substantially reduces the cycle time of a transaction. Next point is better service. Electronic business enables suppliers to improve competitiveness by becoming closer to the customer. As a simple example, many companies are employing electronic commerce technology to offer improved levels of pre- and post-sale support, with increased levels of product information, guidance on product use, and rapid response to customer inquiries. The corresponding customer benefit is improved quality of service. Next point is mass communication. With electronic interaction, suppliers are able to gather detailed information on the needs of each individual customer and automatically tailor products and services to those individual needs. This results in customized products comparable to those offered by the specialized suppliers but at mass market prices. Regarding global reach and global choice, the boundaries of the electronic business are not defined by geography or by national borders, but rather by the coverage of computer networks. Since the most important network, the global in scope, electronic commerce enables even the smallest suppliers to achieve a global presence and to conduct business worldwide. Access to global marketplace helps to improve the operations of the business firms. Electronic business often allows traditional supply chains to be shortened dramatically. There are many established examples where the goods are shipped directly from the manufacturer to the end consumer bypassing the traditional staging post of wholesaler's warehouse, retailer's warehouse, and retail outlet. The cycle time consumed or involved in a transaction is considerably reduced due to high speed of e-business. Information can be exchanged at the click of a mouse. Next point is substantial savings. One of the major contributions of electronic business is a reduction in the transaction cost. While the cost of a business transaction that entails human interaction might be measured in dollars, The cost of conduction a similar transaction electronically might be a few cents or less. These are the important merits or advantages of e-business. Thank you.